Raw whole fruit rooibos tea ice pops are very healthy homemade alternatives to the traditional store-bought commercial sugar candy brands. Supermarket brands need to make their packaged products shelf stable for an extended period, so additives like artificial flavors, colors, and stabilizers are added. When we make ice pops at home, we do not need to worry about preservation technologies as much and can make them extremely delicious and healthier too. Rooibos is a herbal tea that is rich in antioxidants and a very flavorful caffeine-free alternative to black tea. Since rooibos is very robust with musty, sweet, and spicy caramelized flavor attributes, it's a great choice to use as a flavorful base for guilt-free natural whole fruit ice pops. To brew 2 cups or 500 grams of rooibos tea, steep 5 grams of tea leaves and 500 grams of near boiling water for 5 minutes. Then to make enough raw fruit coulis to make 3 ice pops, blend 150 grams of rooibos tea with 200 grams of whole fruit. Coulis is a thin pureed sauce that will freeze differently depending on the amount of sugar. Less sugar will produce a harder textured ice pop as the pop melts, more like a hard granita as compared to a soft sorbet. So sweetening the tea is the easiest way to adjust the taste and texture of the ice pops. I like to use my Vitamix blender cup when I do small batches of coulis, and it makes a smooth puree, but I also like to pass the blended coulis through a sieve. When it comes to choosing ice pop molds, I like to use stainless steel and old-fashioned wooden popsicle sticks because they're easy to fill, clean, and sanitize. But less expensive silicone molds with matching sticks are popular too. When we freeze the coulis in layers, we also need to freeze the popsicle stick between the layers as they freeze, and little plastic clips are handy to help hold the wooden stick somewhere close to the center. Then we need to wait 2 hours between each layer, and at least 5 hours for the whole pop to freeze hard. Then to release the pop, dip the mold in hot water for a couple of seconds.